good afternoon. My name is Wendy Witt. I'm an immigration attorney. I help people cross borders legally so they can live the American dream. Today, the question that I'm answering is, can I apply for citizenship with an expired green card? The short and easy answer to this is yes, you can, and here's why. I understand that when you first become a permanent resident, you're probably very excited. It's a busy time. You're starting your new life as a green card holder, so a lot's going on. You can't imagine that it would suddenly be 10 years later and you'd be renewing your card. But life happens and you get busy and you may forget, and then you get ready down the road to start the citizenship process, pull out your green card and realize that you let it expire. And that's okay. I know that it can be, it might be anxiety inducing. You might be a little scared to go forward to citizenship knowing that your card is expired, and you may be wondering, well, immigration, will I get into trouble? Will they deny my citizenship case because I let my card expire? And I can tell you that that normally would not be something that happens. Now, even though you are not likely to get in any trouble for not renewing your green card, it may be something that you still want to do, and it may be something that you should do even if you're going to go forward with the citizenship process. And this is why. Right now, in many areas of the country, it's taking well over a year for a citizenship case to go to an interview and for a decision to be made. If your green card is already expired and you haven't even started the process yet, you're looking at a really long time without having any evidence of your status. Right now, with the immigration climate being what it is, I would definitely recommend that you always have some type of proof of your status. And if you are a permanent resident, the best proof that you can have is your green card. Once you apply to renew your green card, then you can visit your local office and ask to get a stamp that you could then use to show your work authorization eligibility. You can use that stamp to travel in and out of the United States, all while you're waiting for the green card to actually be produced. And you can show that at your citizenship interview to show that you've been maintaining your status. Now, if this all applies to a 10-year green card. If you are a conditional resident, that means you got your green card for marriage to a U.S. citizen, but you were married for less than 2 years. That card cannot be renewed. That is a conditional card. And instead of renewing it, you have to go through a process that we call removal of the conditions. And that is something that you would definitely want to do on time. You can start doing that within 90 days of your card expiration date. If you didn't do it, and you are a conditional green card holder, you need to immediately contact the immigration lawyer. And so while there are things that we can do to file late, we'll need to explain that, and we would need to do it as soon as possible, or else you are really risking losing your status in this country. If you just had a regular green card and you just forgot to renew it on time, as long as you've been maintaining a status, as long as you've been a continuous resident, you've had your physical presence and good moral character, meaning no criminal trouble, you can usually go ahead and apply, even though your green card is expired. I do recommend that you talk to an immigration attorney in your area, because my understanding is that some of the other offices outside of Dallas have a rule that they want to see that you renewed your card when you go to apply for naturalization, or at least when you go to interview. I haven't really had a problem with that in Dallas with clients whose cards have expired, but if you're not from Dallas, you definitely want to talk to someone local. Anyway, that's my advice. If your card is expired, consider renewing it. If you're eligible for citizenship, try to do both. If you have any other questions or concerns, please post them in the comments and I'll help you if I can. Anyway, thank you for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing you again later this week for my Q&A, which is going to be on Thursday morning. Have a great day. Goodbye.